Democratic Alliance roasts Ramaphosa over remarks on Zimbabwe's land reform program. The 3rd of September 2025, by a correspondent, South Africa's main opposition party, the Democratic Alliance, DA, has sharply criticized President Cyril Ramaphosa for what it describes as a misguided endorsement of Zimbabwe's controversial land reform program. Speaking at the opening of the 115th Zimbabwe Agricultural Show in Harare on the 29th of August, Ramaphosa hailed Zimbabwe's early 2000s land reform as essential and ambitious, arguing it was a necessary step to address historical injustices, boost food production, and drive economic progress. The DA, however, condemned his remarks, insisting they ignore the catastrophic impact of the land seizures on Zimbabwe's economy and society. Party spokesperson Willie Aucamp said Ramaphosa's praise disregards how the process, carried out without legal transfers, left Zimbabwe saddled with crippling financial reparations owed to former farmers and landowners. Ramaphosa is attempting to whitewash the disaster in Zimbabwe to create momentum for the ANC's land expropriation agenda in terms of the Expropriation Act of 2025, Aucamp charged, while reiterating the DA's support for addressing South Africa's land inequality. Aucamp stressed that reforms must be conducted lawfully and constitutionally. The DA strongly supports addressing past injustices, particularly through fair and lawful land reform that restores dignity and economic opportunity, he said. According to Aucamp, the ANC's push for land expropriation without compensation threatens the Constitution and undermines the rule of law, principles he argued should remain central to any credible reform process.